The box lens is mounted on our TS900 fluid head. How does it work? We will take detailed installation steps today. The head is installed on the tripod first. Remove the lock button from head. Use this identification slot to align with this hole in the tripod. This hole prevents rotation of the head. Then tighten this lock button. Put the quick release plate on our camera. Take it off first and put it on the board quickly. Push this forward. Just pull it out and it can be taken off. The camera pushes it down first. Take it easy. Find the screw in the corresponding position. Use the hexagon to tighten it. Here we go. We mount the camera on the top of head. Step 1. First, let us adjust the lock knob on the right side of head. That is to push it down, rotate in a horizontal state. Now it's completely locked. A state of mechanical locking. Install our cameras at this time. Can guarantee our machine, in the absence of leveling. Ensure the safety of our equipment with mechanical performance. Install up now. After matching the dovetail groove, just push it directly inside. After pushing it up, now the machine is relatively safe. We must lock it here. Feel the arrow pointing at the lock. It's locked. Let's check again if it's locked. After installing the camera, we need to balance the front and back of the machine. And dynamic balance. Make an adjustment. The first step is to adjust the front and back balance of camera. First of all, it has to put this safety knob of head first. Unplug it first. Our hands are at this level. To feel whether the machine sinks in front or behind. I obviously feel a little heavy ahead. You need to lock this tilt knob first. Release sliding plate lock knob here. Use this screw at the back to adjust. Adjust the center of gravity of the camera to the back a little. We can adjust it and feel at the same time. Release. Slightly sinking. We adjust it behind a little one more. After adjusting, you can lock the lock knob of sliding plate. It's locked. And loose the tilt lock knob. Feel again. Hey, it feels about the same. Next we need to adjust its counterbalance. The front and back balance is almost ready. And then, we put all the levers of its counterbalance. To put them down. Can feel a pop. The counterbalance steps has been engaged. Tilt a little angle. We pretend to let go. It sinks a little bit. This side we can also adjust its counterbalance. We're going to add more. For example, it has now been adjusted to step 3. Pretend to let go. Oh, it can stop here. You have to adjust it before and after. Well, step 3 is slightly higher. But it can meet our normal use. At this time, we adjust to add some pan tilt damping steps here, like to adjust step 6. Then when we operate the head, you feel the weight of the machine and the resilience force of our fluid head, able to achieve a perfect status of balance. It allows us to stop the camera wherever it goes. Where do we move the lens to? Then as long as you let go, it can stop to the corresponding position. This angle can go here. It stops here. Then at this horizontal position, we let go. It can stop here. Tilt up as long as I let go. It can also stop as we want. The position we are in. Finally, this is the adjustment. When we take off the camera, or when we leave the camera alone, be sure to open our safety button here. This safety button is rotated a little bit. You can feel it coming in. It's a mechanical lock. Now we are tilting up and down this camera. It can't move. We leave the equipment. Guarantee that the equipment is even touched. It also keeps our equipment safe.